All right, it's been 13 days. It took 12 days to ferment and become what it is. And we're at day 13. So we're going to try it out, see what it tastes like. And hopefully it'll taste as good as a factory apple cider. Here it is. Look how nice that is. It's not specifically massively clear, but it really has got carbonation. Check the carbonation out in that. It's really good and bubbly, nice. And it looks really clean. The smell, just apple. I reckon the guys at iGulu, when they get their recipes right, they really get them right. They really work. It smells great. It doesn't even smell. You know how you do your normal first fermentation, especially apple cider, and it comes out really dry and very yeasty flavouring. And I can't even smell that at all. Can't even smell yeast at all, but I can smell the apple cider itself. Now, I did ferment this at 116 ounces rather than 4 gallons. What are you going to do? It's probably going to have a little bit more flavour. That's all it is. It smells great. It smells like apple and that fresh iron shirt smell. Well, hang on. No, it's not my shirt. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a fresh ironed shirt smell, which is not a bad thing. It smells all right. I know it's a bit of a weird thing to say, but it's what it is. Taste-wise, highly carbonated, appley, perfect apple flavour. Sweet, not over sweet though. It's mildly sweet. Wow, it's good. Guys, a brew like this, good little hobby to have. Great watching it going through the process and getting the result where it tastes phenomenal. It tastes phenomenal. It's very, very nice. I'm very surprised. After 13 days, from the juice to the fermentation to carbonation and alcohol, this has come out exceptionally nice. Really, really good. Wow, impressed. If you guys want the recipe, it's down below. There's a link to to their product and their recipe. I'm going to buy a couple of these just to have them in storage for myself. It worked out really good. And I feel that products from iGulu are a great option for people with small flat units who can't ferment big fermentation chambers and make big brews. This is a great little 4-gallon brew that you can have. 1 gallon? 4 gallon? 1 gallon? I don't know. It's one of them. 4 gallon? Is it 4 gallon or 1 gallon? I'm sticking with the metric system. I'm going to keep it there, which I think is about 4 litres. That's what it was. It was 4 litres, 1 gallon. That's what it was, 3.7 litres, something like that. Anyway, I'll get it right one day. It's just how it is. Anyway, this is a great one. Thought I'd quickly give you a taste test and let you know what it's about. And it's a really good one. All right, so I'll be doing a few videos soon. I've got a wine video coming up soon. So if you're interested, stick around. If you want to follow me, please do. Press subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because you won't know if I put a video up otherwise. That'd be awesome if you do. And it really helps the channel if you do the thumbs up as well. It really does. It pushes the channel a lot further. As an amateur brewer, I'm enjoying this hobby and it's quite interesting to see the results you get from when you do it. Guys, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for liking. Thank you very much for watching this video. And we'll see you in the next brew. Cheers.